Hello, in this video we're going to do volume of pyramids and we're also going to do cones and cones, okay? Let's do pyramids first. Here I have two pyramids. We're going to do letter A first. Let me give you the formula for the volume of a pyramid. The volume of a pyramid, the formula, is the same exact formula as the volume for prisms. It's the area of the base times the height. The only difference is that the volume for pyramids is going to be divided by 3. Okay, it's that simple. So let's go ahead and do letter A. Letter A, if you look at the formula, we need to find the area of the base. Now, do I have enough information to find the area of this base, which is this figure, which is a rectangle? This is a rectangular pyramid. Can I find the area of that rectangle? Yes, I can. Do I have the height of the pyramid? How tall is this pyramid? I do have the height. Be careful, H, remember, refers to the height of the pyramid. Remember that the slant height is the height of the face of the triangle. So in this case, we're not interested in slant height. Okay, let's go ahead and find the area for the base. The area of the base, since it's a rectangle, I know its length times width, so it's going to be equal to 5 times 4. So the area of the base is equal to 20 square feet. Okay, now we're going to use this information to find the volume. Volume is equal to B times H over 3. So let's plug in B, which is 20, times the height, which is 6, and everything divided by 3. And that will equal 40 cubic feet. Remember, volume is a cubic unit. So there is your volume for letter A. Let's go ahead and do letter B. For letter B, over here, this pyramid over here, we have that the formula is the area of the base times the height divided by 3. Let's look for the area of the base. Now the base in this case is a triangle. Look at it right here. Here's the triangle, and it's a right triangle. So I know how to look for the area of the triangle. All I need is the base, the height, and that's it. So I have the base, 7, the height is 6, or the height could be 6 and the or the base could be 6 and the height could be 7. It doesn't matter in this case, as long as they're perpendicular to the opposite side. So the area for the base would be base times height over 2. And that equals 7 times 6 over 2, which is 21 square meters. That's the area of the base, which is a triangle. So let's look for volume. Volume, we said, is equal to the area of the base, which we found to be 21, times the height of the prism. Now this height refers to not the prism, I'm sorry. This height refers to the height of the pyramid, okay, which is 8 meters. And then we divide everything by 3. So this is going to equal 56 cubic meters. And that is the volume for that pyramid. Okay, there you have it. Let's see an example finding volumes for cones. Here I have 2 cones. The volume of a cone, volume of cones. The volume of a cone is the same exact formula as we've been seeing. It's the area of the base times the height, and we're also going to divide by 3. Okay, now remember, height refers to the height of the cone, not the slant height. This height here, that would be the slant height. But this H refers to the height, okay? We also want the area of the base, and we know that the base of a cone is always a circle, and we know how to find the area of a circle. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's look for the area of the base. Base, the area of the base is pi r squared because it's a circle. So to find that, I need the radius. Do I have the radius? Yes, I do. It's 8. So this is pi 8 squared. And that makes a total of 64 pi square centimeters, and that is the area of the base. Okay? Now I'm going to take this information and look for volume. Volume is equal to the area of the base times the height over 3. So B we found to be 64 pi. The height of this cone is 12 centimeters. And we divide everything by 3. So the volume equals approximately 804 cubic centimeters. Okay, there's your answer for the volume of that first cone. Now let's do that second cone. The second cone, let's write our formula for volume. Volume is equal to the area of the base times the height divided by 3. Okay. Notice that the base is a circle, and to find the area of a circle, all I need is the radius, and it's given right here. It's 3 inches. So I have that. The height of the cone is this segment, which is perpendicular to the base, and it goes from the vertex all the way to the base, perpendicular to the base. Do I have the height? I don't. I don't have the height, but look at what they gave me. They gave me slant height. Can I use the slant height with the radius to find the height? Yes, I can. I can use Pythagorean Theorem. Watch this. This slant height, which is 5 inches, is really this length from here all the way to here. Do you see that triangle? That means the slant height is really the hypotenuse of this triangle here. This triangle right here. That slant height is the hypotenuse, and I have it. It's 5. I also know that this side of the triangle is 3. If you remember Pythagorean triples, I know that this height will be 4 because of a Pythagorean triple 3, 4, 5. Okay, 4 inches. And there I have the height. But if you do not know the Pythagorean triples, then let's use Pythagorean theorem to find h. So let me draw this triangle. I'm going to draw this triangle out here. I have this triangle right here. It's a right triangle. This side measures 3. This one I don't know, and this one is 5. So I have the hypotenuse. Let's do the Pythagorean theorem. C squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. C squared I know. C is 5. So 5 squared is equal to 3 squared plus h squared, which is what I'm looking for. So this becomes 25 is equal to 9 plus h squared. That means I can subtract 9 from each side, and that gives me 16 is equal to h squared. I can take the square root both sides, and h will equal 4. See, I told you it's 4. So 4 inches. There's your height, and this is the measure we need to plug in into our formula, the height of the cone. So I found it. So let's go ahead and find the area of the base for this cone. Let me change colors, and let's find B. B is going to equal pi r squared. That equals pi times the radius squared, and the radius in this case is 3. So 3 squared. That equals 9 pi. The area of the base is 9 pi. So let me scroll down a little bit to find the volume. Volume is going to equal the base area times the height of the cone divided by 3. The base area is 9 pi times the height, which we found right here, 4, divided by 3, and that will give you approximately 38. Okay? 38 what? 38 cubic inches. Don't forget your units. And there's your volume. I hope this tutorial helps you I'll see you in the next video.